Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about accessing array data with indexes. We can access the data inside the arrays using indexes. Array indexes are written in the same bracket notation that the strings use, except that instead of specifying a character, they are specifying an entry in the array. Like strings, arrays use zero-based indexing. This is very important. It is saying that arrays also use zero-based indexing. So the first element in an array has an index of 0. So the first element will be having and so let us try it out. So let us say now we have a constant variable my array which has three items inside it. So let us consider that mm, let us output something. So when we output my array, we will be getting 50, 60 and 70. And now when we use the square brackets and inside which let us type 0, then will be getting the first element. That is, we are accessing the array using indexes. This is what we call that, because we have used the numbers instead of typing the whole thing. So let us type 1, then we'll move to the second one, and if you type 3, then we'll be going to the there will be no such one, because this is the zeroth element, this is the first element, this is the second, because like strings, arrays also use zero based indexing. So there won't be the 3. If you type 2, then we'll be accessing 70. So this is what it is. Now we have an example 2 here. We have an array which has 50, 60 and 70, 3 items, and inside the array we are accessing the zeroth one, which means the first one. So const data equals array 1 means we are assigning a variable data, and inside which we are accessing the uh, first, which means the second of this array, which is 60. So data will be equal to 60. Array 0 is now 50 and data has the value 60. Note, there shouldn't be any spaces between the array name and the square brackets. Like array, here we have a space. They are saying that we should not have a space in between. Although JavaScript is able to process this correctly, this may confuse other programmers reading your code. So in this, we need to create a variable called myData and set it to equal the first value of my array using bracket notation. So we need to create a variable myData. So let myData, and we will be equaling it with the first element of my array. So we'll type my array square brackets, inside which we'll type 0, because 0 will be the first element. Now to verify it again, we'll be printing this out, console.log my data. So we are getting 50. So it is working. Now let us run the test. So we have completed the next challenge. We'll move to the 40-second challenge. See you in the next video.